Ammo is different than all the other groups in the military.
Ammo is so important because it's such a crucial part of the mission. Without it, the fighter jets are not able to protect us.
Good afternoon, I'm Tech Sergeant Hanner, NCOIC of PGM, which is one section of ammunitions. My job is to inspect, disassemble, and reassemble precision guided missiles, which range from a wide variety of missiles, air-to-air missiles and air-to-ground missiles.
Hi, I'm A1C Brandon Leach, Munitions Specialist. What we do here is we build bombs and test missiles, and we take munitions out to the flat line.
Being part of ammo in the Air National Guard, you have a wide range of duties that you need to accomplish. A normal day would include flight line delivery.
We'll get the munitions that need to come back to be tested or that were expended by the pilots, and we'll replace them with others, and we'll process all the expenditures when we come back.
Also, any inspections that need to be done on the missiles. Someone that chooses ammo needs to be a person that has administrative, intellectual abilities, as well as someone that would like to get their hands dirty.
My favorite part about this job is building the bombs, and then also we deal with the 20mm ammunition, and I like processing that.
You're able to learn all type of expertise that you would not be given a chance to work with in the civilian world. For example, you're working with multi-million dollar assets, with cutting-edge technology that will push you forward and help you succeed in life.
The Air Force has given me a sense of purpose with my job and how important it is, because I know that it's keeping me and everyone else safe, and I like to know that I'm a part of that.